Happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is from September the 9th through the 15th. And what I'm going to be doing today is, since I decorated my mantle, it got me all enthused for fall. So I have this Happy Planner Squad Goals book with sticker sheets, and it also contains fall. So I'm going to be using those. And I'm going to be recycling some papers I've had from past spreads. And then I'm going to be using this washi that I got. I'm really not sure where I got it, to be honest. It would have to be either Dollar Tree or Michael's. And I'm going to be using this Bic marker in Woodsy Brown, okay? So let's go ahead and take my pages out of my planner. And I'm so glad that everybody enjoyed The Postman Rings Twice. It was so fun to do. Okay, I want this to be the dominant paper of the spread. To me, it looks like a sweater or a blanket. I really do love that paper. I keep waiting for cooler weather to come, but we're breaking records every day. It's unbelievable. Okay, and I think this looks like a sweater as well. I did see some pumpkin spice cupcakes. I think it was at Publix the other day, or maybe Walmart. Okay, let's go ahead and put this paper down like we want it. I think that's going to be so pretty. I might have actually used this combination in another plan with me several years ago. I'm not sure. So let's go ahead and put our paper down. I really like that. I would love to have a sweater or a shirt like that. Of course, I'd have to wait a while to wear it. Unless I wanted to drip. I really like that. I think it's definitely going to give us the feel that we want. Now this washi just reminded me of bark off of a tree. So we are going to put this on here. And you could always put some white paper underneath here if you didn't want that red to come through. But I'm just going to leave it alone. It really doesn't show up much. I may try doubling this and see if this will stand out more. And it really doesn't. I really can't tell much of a difference. I think I'm going to switch my wash. Okay, I'm going in with this. This is much better because you really, the other is so pretty, but you can't see it. So it really doesn't do you much good to have it. I'm thinking I got this at the Dollar Tree, but I could be wrong. Okay, and then we'll just go down through here. I think that's really pretty. Definitely has that fall vibe. Okay, I really do like that. Okay, so we will get these little stickers here in this book. They have so many, and I've used them before. And I think they're just super cute, really. Okay, here's this little girl. I think I'll put her, oh, maybe right here. She looks like she's walking. And I think we'll have some leaves around her. Like maybe they're falling. I think that's cute. And maybe one's blowing right there. Okay. And then let's say she has a friend and she's on her bike and she's got her little dog, and then maybe these, they're just having a blast in the leaves. I love leaves. We get some leaves to turn down here, but not that much. And there's a leaf coming down. And another leaf. Okay. And then we'll put these pumpkins right here. And maybe this girl is walking her dog as well. And there's pumpkins. And then we have these girls right here. And maybe we'll put a pumpkin right here. And maybe just some leaves here. And some just falling down. Okay, and then we have this girl. She's walking her dog as well, and all these leaves. And I think I'll put another pumpkin. Maybe the dog smells the pumpkin and he's trying to get there. And then we have one more girl. And I think I'll put her right here with her bike and her dog. And we'll have a little leaf flowing down through there. Maybe it's blowing from there. And it says, "Be thankful." Right through here. Be thankful. And then I think I'll take this and maybe just put it right through here. I think that's really cute. And I might put something else right over here. Maybe these pumpkins to just add a little bit of color. Okay, I really like that. So now I'm going to write down some things that I need to do. Okay, let's put our pages back inside of our planner and take a look at this, but I think it is so cute. All right, here is how it turned out. I really do like it. I love this paper. It definitely looks like it would be sweater weather or blanket weather. And I love this washi. I think it really ties in nicely. And I really like this sticker book. You can really find a lot of nice stickers in here for all the seasons. And the main thing is just catch it when it's on sale. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.